It's an important week in the Middle East this week as a major political conference is held, with Thursday and Friday seeing the Shanghai Cooperation Organization heads of state in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. That will include the first meetings of China President Xi and Russia's President Putin since the commencement of the Ukraine conflict, while several Middle East countries' leaders are also attending. Major developments concerning the Middle Eastern bloc are expected at that, with Iran to be elevated as a full member, alongside China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. The meeting's aims were to discuss areas of strengthening strategic relations and joint cooperation between the two sides to achieve stability, security, peace and friendship, and in implementation of the directives of the leaders of the GCC countries to strengthen and consolidate the bloc's position regionally and internationally as a model for security, stability and development. Wednesday's Samarkand summit is attracting heightened attention this year for obvious reasons, two of which arguably matter more than the rest. The participants in the Heads of State Council meeting will discuss and adopt a final document, the Samarkand Declaration, a comprehensive agreement covering all SCO activities. This is aimed at developing a roadmap for gradually increasing the share of national currencies in mutual settlements and cutting down on the use of the US dollar.